You hear people say, build a personal brand, start e-commerce, or launch a big online business. But almost nobody tells you that you can start a real income stream from home using simple, low-cost machines. Machines that require no fancy skills and no big setup, yet quietly create products people buy every single day. What you are about to see might honestly change the way you think about starting a business from home. Because these machines are small, affordable, and surprisingly profitable. Most people walk past opportunities like these without ever noticing them. But today, you will see how easy it can be to create something valuable right from your kitchen table or spare room. Stay with this video until the end, because the last machine is so unexpected and so useful that it almost feels unreal. It is the kind of tool people overlook until they see what it can do. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment. I'm ready, and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All videos, discussions, and demonstrations about business machines, investments, or related topics are not financial advice.
Number 15. Electric Meat Grinder. This machine is one of the simplest home machines you can start with. A small unit costs around $100 to $250, and it lets you process fresh meat at home with clean, consistent results. You can make products like minced meat, burger patties, kebab mix, chicken mince, pet food, and more. Operation is simple. You feed chunks of meat into the top. The grinder pulls it in through a screw mechanism, and the sharp blades turn it into smooth, ready-to-use mince. This business becomes profitable because customers love freshly ground meat and are willing to pay more for something made without preservatives. The machine runs quietly. It is easy to clean and perfect for a small food startup. Number 14. Electric Deep Fryer. This machine is a compact machine that costs around $200 to $300. It lets you create fast-selling snacks right from your kitchen. You can fry items like fries, nuggets, donuts, wings, potato balls, tempura, and more. The fryer heats oil to a stable temperature, keeping the food crispy and evenly cooked. You simply heat the oil, load your ingredients into the basket, lower it, and the fryer does the rest. This machine becomes profitable because cooked snacks have strong daily demand, and people love ready-to-eat food. A small fryer can run continuously and help you sell fresh snacks from home or at local events. Number 13. Slushy Machine. This machine is a fun and profitable home machine, usually costing around $150 to $280. It turns simple flavored syrup and water into refreshing slush drinks that sell extremely well during warm seasons. The machine chills the mixture, stirs it constantly, and creates that perfect icy texture customers enjoy. You can offer flavors like blue raspberry, lemon, cola, mango, or even sugar-free options. This machine becomes profitable because the ingredients cost almost nothing and slush drinks have high resale value. It is easy to operate, easy to clean, and perfect for home drink businesses and small events. Before we move to number 12, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We are aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 12. Ice Crusher or Small Ice Crusher Machine. This machine is a compact device that costs around $40 to $90, and it turns regular ice cubes into fine crushed ice within seconds. You place ice cubes into the top, press the lid, and the machine shaves them into soft, snow-like ice. You can use this to make shaved ice desserts, cold drinks, smoothies, snow cones, or to supply local vendors. It becomes profitable because crushed ice is needed by juice shops, street vendors, and small cafes every single day. With extremely low operating cost and fast production, it is one of the easiest machines for beginners. Number 11. Donut Maker Machine. This machine lets you produce small, bite-sized donuts at home and typically costs around $50 to $120. You mix a simple batter, pour it into the molds, close the lid, and the machine cooks uniform donuts in just a few minutes. You can create flavors like chocolate, vanilla, cinnamon sugar, caramel glaze, or sell them by the dozen at events. This machine becomes profitable because mini donuts are popular, visually appealing, and have low ingredient cost. The machine works fast, uses very little electricity, and is perfect for home-based snack businesses. Number 10. Chocolate tempering machine. This machine is a compact tool often used by home chocolatiers. A small unit usually costs around $80 to $150, and it heats chocolate to the perfect temperature so it becomes smooth, glossy, and ready for molding. Simply add chopped chocolate, set the temperature, and the machine melts and cools it with precision. With this, you can create handmade bars, truffles, molded chocolates, cake coatings, and gift boxes. This business becomes profitable because handmade chocolate has high demand for events and gifting, and customers happily pay more for fresh, small-batch products made at home. Keep watching because the next machine is cheaper than most people think, yet it can create products that sell shockingly fast. Number 9. Cotton ball making machine. This machine is a simple tabletop unit that costs around $1,000 to $1,500, and it forms clean, consistent cotton balls used in cosmetics, medical kits, and skincare routines. You load soft cotton into the chamber. The machine rolls and compresses it, and instantly shapes uniform balls. You can package them in small pouches, jars, or bulk bags. This becomes profitable because cotton balls are used every day and production cost is extremely low. It is clean, quiet, and ideal for a small home-based supply business. Number 8. Fresh flower printer. This machine is a beautiful and unique machine that usually costs around $100 to $200. It prints names, logos, and small patterns directly onto real flower petals. You place the flower inside the holder, load your design, and the printer marks the petals with clean precision. This allows you to offer personalized roses, wedding bouquets, romantic gifts, event branding, and more. The business becomes profitable because personalized flowers are emotional purchases and customers pay a premium for customization. Even small events can generate strong income with this machine. If you are finding these machines useful, give this video a like so more people can learn how to start profitable home-based production. Number 7. Ribbon printing machine. This machine is a small, affordable machine costing around $70 to $140, and it prints text, logos, and decorative patterns onto fabric ribbons. You attach the ribbon roll, enter your design, and the machine prints it instantly. With this, you can create gift ribbons, wedding ribbons, branding labels, event decorations, and packaging accessories. This becomes profitable because customized ribbons elevate any gift or product, and shops often need small batches quickly. It is easy to operate and perfect for home-based customization services. Number 6. Bubble machine. This machine is one of the simplest and most playful machines on the list, usually costing around $25 to $60. It creates a constant stream of bubbles by dipping a rotating wheel into bubble solution and blowing air through it. You only fill the tank, turn it on, and it produces hundreds of bubbles per minute. This machine becomes profitable because it is perfect for birthday parties, photography shoots, parks, kids events, outdoor celebrations, and rental services. It has almost zero operating cost. And event-based businesses earn well because families love adding fun visual effects to their events. Do not skip next one. Because this machine is tiny, affordable, and its products are selling everywhere right now. Number 5. Fog machine. This machine might look like a simple party gadget, but it has quietly become a steady income maker for event decorators and small rental businesses. A standard unit starts around $40 to $120, and it operates by heating a special fog fluid until it vaporizes and fills a space with dense atmospheric effects. You can offer this machine for birthday parties, weddings, school events, Halloween setups, and small venue shows. The real profit comes from repeated rentals, upselling fog fluid, and offering add-ons like lights or themed effects. Because the machine runs on low maintenance and has high demand, it can turn into a consistent cash generator. Number 4. Pottery wheel. This machine is one of the most accessible ways to start crafting high-value handmade products. These compact models usually cost between $60 and $180, and they operate through a smooth spinning platform that shapes clay into bowls, cups, vases, and decorative pieces. Once shaped, the items can be air-dried or kiln-fired, depending on the material. What makes this machine profitable is the rising demand for handcrafted home decor and personalized gifts. Even simple pieces can be sold at premium prices at craft fairs, Etsy shops, and local boutiques, turning a small wheel into a reliable creative business. Number 3. Rock tumbler. This machine transforms rough stones into polished, shiny gems that look professionally finished. These machines usually cost around $50 to $150, and they operate by rotating stones with grit compounds for several days until the surfaces become smooth and glossy. You can turn ordinary rocks into jewelry pieces, keychains, decorative sets, or collector packs. This becomes profitable because polished stones sell for much more than raw material, and the machine works almost entirely on autopilot. With a bit of creativity in packaging and product bundles, a simple rock tumbler can produce high-margin items with very little manual effort. Number 2. Badge or ID card laminating machine. This machine is a compact system that produces professional quality identification cards for schools, gyms, clubs, offices, and events. These machines typically cost between $40 and $120, and they operate by heating and sealing printed cards inside protective laminate sheets. You only need a printer, card templates, and laminate pouches. This machine becomes profitable because clients often need small batches of custom cards made quickly, and they are willing to pay for fast turnaround and durable results. Offering membership cards, name badges, visitor passes, or event tags can turn this into a steady micro-business with very low material costs. You are getting close to number 1. And that machine can create items that people order in bulk before you even make them. Number 1. Balloon printing machine. This machine creates customized balloons for birthdays, corporate parties, store promotions, and special celebrations. Most small units start around $180 to $350, and they operate by clamping a balloon onto a plate, applying ink, and transferring designs with consistent pressure. You can print logos, names, dates, and themed artwork in just a few seconds. This business becomes profitable because personalized balloons sell in bulk and are always in demand. Event planners and small businesses regularly order custom sets, and the machine's fast production speed allows you to fulfill multiple orders per day. With high margins and very low per balloon cost, now you have seen some of the most overlooked machines that can quietly turn into real income generators. The best part is that each one is affordable, easy to operate, and capable of producing high-demand products that people are willing to pay for. If you want more videos on profitable machines, small workshop ideas, and compact manufacturing setups, if you found this video helpful, take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for new ways to make money. It really helps more people find these ideas and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching. Stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.